Behind the scenes with RemoteLink, data movement rediscovered. Unwired RemoteLink has become the most popular RemoteWare end-of-life solution. It provides a lighter, more dynamic solution for data movement that scales to fit your company size and priced accordingly. While it would take far too long to explore RemoteLink as a whole, we decided to dive into the 4 features that we see as most beneficial for retail businesses and restaurants. Web-based login console. Using a web-based console gives you the ability to log in and access your information from any connected device. Since RemoteLink stores everything in a database, you have the opportunity to integrate other business software and use your data to create real, useful information. Client information. When you set up your system, you'll be able to give each client a unique identifier as well as specified attributes, including jobs and tasks. RemoteLink will automatically assign the corresponding store value as part of the client attribute, making it easier to view client systems by store. Depending on what jobs and tasks are assigned to each client, RemoteLink provides the capability to group clients based on common attributes. Again, this grouping function simplifies the process of system audits and creates a clear view of how well your company is operating day to day. As you can see, this is an inside look of how to configure clients or client systems. In this example, we are looking at the daily outbound and client activities. So as you can see, you have a column for the client when the specified activity was started, when it was finished, the progress, whether it's completed or still running, the result of that, so whether it's finished or not, whether it was successful or not, and even if it was successful, how many attempts did that client system have to make in order to be successful? So it tells you really down to the finest detail what's going on, how your company is running, how your systems are functioning, what activities are being run at what time, and how long it takes for those to finish. So moving on, job history is another feature that we think really stands out. With job and task functions automated, the job history view allows your IT personnel to see how well the system ran and will flag any problems that require attention. RemoteLink automatically identifies problem points, flags any repeat attempts for completion, and groups clients based on jobs for the most efficient troubleshooting and correction. And again, you can do a bit of a deeper dive into that all systems check, what the specific job was, how many clients, what clients were running that job. Was it successful? Was it a failure? How many attempts did it take? When was that job open? And the duration that it took. So you can really see all of these different attributes, and you can also select specific jobs to search for and see what's going on, how well everything is doing, how well everything is running. So the final element that we think is especially important are staging devices. Now, staging devices are a new feature that RemoteLink released, allowing you to send files to a single staging device at a store. Operating this way gives you increased alerting capabilities because the information is traveling from the server to an in-store staging device and then being distributed to the appropriate store devices, creating a more efficient and effective path for your data to move through. RemoteWare End of Life is marked for June 30th, 2018, and we want you to be prepared. This is not a small job switching from one data movement system to another. And depending on the size of your organization, it's going to take time and allocation of funds to figure out how this is going to work into your 2017-2018 budget. So be prepared, do your research. We recently published a blog on how to do that research, the questions to ask, who to go to, and we would be more than happy to answer any questions you have or talk with you about looking into a new data movement system such as RemoteLink. Thank you so much for your time today, and please feel free again to contact a RemoteRelief IT consultant today. You can find us online at www.remoterelief.com/contact, or you can call us anytime at 877-520-0005. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed our talk.